This is something I've always wanted to say. I bought the cheapest G-Wagon in North America. It's a 2005 G500 Grand Edition, and let me show you around it. Fire. This one was not in an auction. This one was not upside down in a ditch. It didn't explode. It didn't blow up. There is no story. It is an immaculately maintained, slightly restored from a guy who does this for a hobby car. I just bought it the other day, and I paid approximately 25,000 US dollars for 2005 again G500. It is fully loaded, obviously, and everything works perfectly. A little dirty, drove it home yesterday. But there is no surprises, no weirdness, no nothing. I mean, there are a couple tiny little things I can do to this, but always wanted one. Girlfriend always wanted one. Finally found one I liked at a price I liked. Is the Grand Edition, which just has some, like 500 of the Grand Edition made. It's got some, Grand Edition badging. This one is 125. Got glare out of 500. Grand Edition floor mats, and I'm not sure exactly what else. I know it has this aluminum trim or stainless trim on the side molding, and I think the bush bar. Not sure what else is specific to the Grand Edition, but I'll find out. Anyway, I'll be doing a few more videos on this the next couple of weeks, but for right now, it's freezing cold because in Canada, winter decided to come back. It was gone, I swear to God, it was gone, and came back a couple days ago. But other than that, stay tuned for some videos coming up on this sucker. Also have brand new tires, immaculate. It came certified and emission tested and everything ready to go. No worries, no problems whatsoever, which made it very weird at that price. Anyway, seeing you soon.